In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write vertical text in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to add a creative flair to your presentations or need a vertical text layout for specific design purposes, I've got you covered with two simple methods. Let's dive right in and make your slides stand out with ease. First, let's start with a quick and easy way to get vertical text using the rotate function. Begin by opening your PowerPoint presentation where you want to add vertical text. To create a text box, head over to the Insert tab and select Text Box. Once you've inserted a text box anywhere on your slide, go ahead and type out your desired text. Now that your text is ready, it's time to rotate it. Click to select the text box. You'll notice a circular arrow handle located above the box. This is your rotate handle. By clicking and dragging this handle, you can rotate your text to a 90-degree angle for a vertical layout. If you prefer, you can also rotate it 270 degrees for a different orientation. Alternatively, if you want a more precise adjustment, you can go to the Shape Format tab at the top menu. Click on Rotate, then choose Rotate Right 90 degrees. With these steps, your horizontal text box becomes vertical, perfect for side labels or decorative titles in your presentation. It's a simple and efficient way to add some variety to your slides. Now, let's explore a method using the text direction tool, which offers a more nuanced approach, especially useful for East Asian layouts or design-heavy slides. Start by selecting the text box or shape that contains your text. Once it's highlighted, navigate to the Home tab in your menu bar. Look for the text direction option. Clicking on it will present you with several choices for your text orientation. You can choose to rotate all text 90 degrees, which will tilt your entire text layout to the right, or rotate all text 270 degrees, which will tilt it to the left. But if you're aiming for a true vertical appearance where each letter appears below the other, select the stacked option. This layout is particularly ideal if you're working on projects that require East Asian text orientation, or if you're keen on integrating unique design elements into your slide. Through these two methods, you have the flexibility to choose the style that best fits your presentation's needs. Plus, not only does it add to your creative options, but it also helps in varying the visual structure of your slides, keeping your audience engaged and attentive. Now you're all set to enhance your PowerPoint presentations with vertical text. Happy creating, and remember to keep experimenting with these tools to discover creative avenues for your designs.